With the social psychologists and researchers are interested in how people work in a social world. They look at how individuals interact with each other and how we interact in groups. Therefore, they look at the individual as an individual, but also as a group member and see how this affects behavior. They also examine how the role of culture and society affects our behavior. Areas of interest includes prejudice, obedience, and conformity. So the case studies in a Cambridge International Examination or Milgram obedience studies, Pilevin, the subway stations, Samaritans, and Yamamoto, Humo, and Tanaka, chimpanzees helping.
Wait.
What?
I feel like I've heard that name before.
The Yamamoto and Tanaka?
Yeah.
Of course, they are like one of the top two most common like last name, like Japanese last name.
Wait. What's that about though? Chimpanzee helping? Just chimpanzee?
Yeah.
I remember there was this show called The Chimpanzee and the Dog.
That's a TV program. That's pretty old. What's that dog called? Like something Pang Kung. Like it's a park, right? And the dog is a park, and then the monkey, Pang Kung, something with Pang Kung. That's pretty old.
Yeah,
it's cute too. So the two main assumptions that you are expected to know are behavior, cognitions, and emotion can be influenced by other individuals, and behavior, cognition, and emotions can be influenced by groups and social contexts.